Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody asked me how you can pick a certain color. He's got some red and black circles, and some of them are so close together that it'd be hard to pick, but you can pick them if you go right inside and you see we have black. Go on the outside, you see we have red. So the way to select them all, and I've done several videos like this, but this is a little different. Go to Edit. And he's got 19, which would be the same as this. Earlier versions might be a little bit different. Go to Find and Replace and then Edit Query. And then you need to go down to Lines, Outline Properties, and double click on that. Click on the color and get the eyedropper tool away from this. And then just wait till it turns black and you know you have it. Hit OK. Find All. And then hit delete. And it deleted all the black lines throughout the drawing. Let's just back up here and see how many there were. See, there's quite a few black lines on, or black circles, but if we just go back, now you have just red circles. And I'm guessing they're hairlines. Whenever you click on something like that and you can't get it, it's because you're grabbing that other layer. So just go to order, put it to the back of the page, and then you can grab those individual letters and you can see these are all hairlines. That might be grouped together. We can go group and ungroup and then just pick one circle and you can see it's a hairline. So he's evidently cutting this out like a stitch pattern. But anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.